In this video, we're going to learn how to do one-step word problems using multiplication. In this video, we're going to use something called the run method. Now, the run method helps us actually figure out how to do a word problem in steps so that we can be able to solve it. So the first thing we do for this is we're going to read the problem. Each box holds 6 toy cars. There are 5 boxes. How many toy cars are there in total? Next, what we'll do is we'll underline the question. So the question is, how many toy cars are there in total? And this kind of helps us figure out that we're going to be looking at toy cars, and we're also going to be looking at the total amount. So next, what we'll do is we'll name the numbers in the operation. So we have 6 toy cars, and it looks like we have 5 boxes. And each box has a total of 6 toy cars. So knowing that, we're going to know that our operation is going to be multiplication. We could also think of it as that we have 2 different units. We have cars and boxes, so that helps us see that we're doing multiplication. So 6 times 5 is going to be 30 total cars. Moving on to the next question, again, we read the problem out loud. There are 8 students in art class. Each student is painting with 10 fingers. How many fingers are painting? We'll underline that question so we see that how many fingers are painting. So we know we want to look at the total amount of fingers. Next, we'll name the numbers and figure out what type of problem we're going to be doing. So we have 8 students and 10 fingers. Again, we have that same idea that we have 2 different units. We have students and fingers. So that's going to help us know that we're going to be multiplying out. 8 times 10 is going to be 80 fingers. Moving on to the next question, again, we read the problem out loud. There are 8 rows of chairs. Each row has 4 chairs. How many chairs are there altogether? We'll underline the question, how many chairs are there altogether? So we're looking for the total amount of chairs, and we see that it's going to be altogether, which is also another word for understanding its multiplication. So name the numbers and operations. We have 7 rows, and we have 4 chairs in each row. So knowing that word altogether, we can figure out that we are multiplying these out. So 7 times 4 is going to be a total of 28 chairs. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips and lessons from Mr. Heaton's Math Lab.